All right, our last review assignment on the back of the book is solving algebraic equations. So on page 348, you're going to be doing 2 through 24 even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're going to be doing the even numbers, which adds up to be about 12 problems. A couple things to note. Number one is I need to see work. Okay, so when you take a picture of this and turn it in, I need to see work shown. I understand you can do this in your head. You're going to get into math next year or the following year where you need to show work, and you won't be able to do it in your head. Okay, so you need to show your work. Okay, so let's do a few together. Okay, I'm going to do two-step equations. I'm going to skip down past the one-step equations to the two-step equations. Okay, let's look at number 9. Number 9, x plus 7, 2 plus 6 times 3. So they've actually mixed a couple lessons here. They've mixed equations plus PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What has to happen first? Well, 6 times 3, which is 18, and then you add the 2, which is 20. And then we need to subtract 7 from both sides to be fair. X equals 13. Notice how I show my work. Even though I could do it in my head, I want to do the work, show the work, so that way I don't mess up. And if I do mess up, I can see as a teacher where you are messing up, okay? So that is why we show work. Plus, you're going to get into math where you cannot do it in your head at some point. Looking at other problems, number 17. Okay, which is what we're going to do first. We're going to do the number. We're going to manipulate the number furthest away from the x. Okay, so 7 or 9 further away. We would say the 9 is further away. So we add 9 to both sides. Okay, 7x equals 14. Next step, if this is a multiplication problem, we need to divide both sides by 7. X equals 2. And mentally, you can check your answer. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 equals 5. So we have done it correctly. All right, one more problem. And I've noticed many of us understand this very well. Okay, the one thing is you don't show your work, which tells me you're kind of doing it in your head. Good for you. I'm glad you can do it in your head, but you're going to need to show work. I did not show number 21 type of problems to you, so I do apologize, but hopefully you figured it out. 5 over 11 equals 9 over x. We need to get x by itself, okay? So this is where you do multiplication by diagonals, okay? So 5 times x is 5x. 11 times 9 is 99, okay? And then we divide both sides by 5. And 5 goes into 120 times, so 5 goes into 99, 19 4/5 times. Okay, so this would be your answer. By diagonal multiplication, we set them equal to each other, and then we do normal algebraic equation solving. Okay, so number 21 would have been the answer, 19 4/5. Okay, so you do diagonal multiplication and then you get your answer. So that is the assignment, is the even numbers. Go ahead and get at it.